This is a Kammqi metal garden hose bracket. I was sent this item to review for free. It includes 3 relatively large screws with some like masonry, concrete, or drywall style anchors. The screws are steel, looks like zinc plated steel. The bracket is steel, as is the rod. And it is coated, I'm not sure if that's powder coating or just a thick black paint, as well as a very hard rubber protective coating on this bracket. So this is sold as an outdoor hose bracket. The only kind of reservations I have about using this outdoors is it is made out of steel, and so if this black protective coating is at any point compromised, you're going to risk rust. Now I'm going to be installing this on a brick wall, so even if it does rust and rust drains down the wall, you're really not going to be able to see it on the black brick wall. It has 3 holes in a vertical arrangement, which is good if you're trying to screw this into a 2x4 stud. I'm going into brick, so I'll probably actually use just the top and bottom hole to bridge across 2 bricks. We'll see when I get outside exactly how things line up. So the holes in this bracket are large enough that I'm going to use my own fasteners. These are TapCon concrete anchors. I like these for brick and concrete just because you don't need to use a larger hole and then a plastic insert. These go right into the brick after you pre-drill a hole with them. So to install this, we're going to need the fasteners, a pencil to mark the holes, a drill to drive a masonry bit, and then a number 2 Phillips screwdriver or a number 2 Phillips bit for a drill. So my hose bib is there on the brick wall. I'm going to mount this kind of low to keep it below the line of this hedge here, so it'll kind of be hidden behind the hedge. Now I have different styles of bricks that make up this brick facade. I happen to know that these bricks here are extremely difficult to drill into, whereas these bricks here I can do without a hammer drill. So I've deliberately placed these on the kind of the softer bricks so that hopefully I can do this without getting out a hammer drill. Alright, so there we are installed. Keep in mind you are going to get some brick dust from this procedure, so as long as you're outside that's not going to be an issue. I believe that's a 75-footer 3/4 inch hose there. Now I could fit a little more on top, so I could probably get 100 foot of 3/4 inch, or maybe even the rated 150 feet of 1/2 inch hose. But you can see, it holds it just fine. There's just a little bit of room left over here.